From an employment perspective, I think the process is slow.
Yogesh Pandey moved to Saskatoon last year. He came here with his family from India in search of a better life. But he says the biggest hurdle has been finding a job, despite having 13 years of experience in India's banking and finance industry.
In Saskatoon, I understand that kind of job prospect is not available right now. Majority of them are in Ontario or in Vancouver.
Pandey says his savings have been dwindling. To save money, he uses city transit to get around, but says the routes are not efficient. Buses are too full and take too long to get to places. He says it's affecting his grocery store runs. The city of Saskatoon estimates that more than 14,000 new people came here over the last year. It's the largest year-over-year population change in decades. About 85% of new residents are international newcomers from places like India, China, Afghanistan, Nigeria, and the Philippines. Dozens of them tell CBC that the city's infrastructure and services need to expand. Gurpreet Singh says it took him 5 months to find a family doctor. He says it was especially troubling when his son was sick and had to be rushed to emergency 1 month after they arrived.
There is a shortage of specialized doctors in Saskatoon, especially for the children, pediatrician. When I speak to other parents, they say they need a pediatrician, and wait time for the pediatrician for one doctor is about 2 years.
Singh says he's also noticed the city is lacking affordable rental options.
We see a huge influx of people needing our services.
Population growth has meant a huge demand for services at the Saskatchewan Intercultural Association. Ahmed Majid there says newcomers are struggling to find healthcare and affordable safe housing in the city. In schools too, Majid says crowded classrooms are also an issue for kids who may need more support.
As a community, we don't necessarily have a clear vision for where we're going to be in 5 years and 10 years. With the school system, with the housing, with the health system as well.
Councillor Cynthia Block says work is underway to create more schools and boost city's infrastructure.
It's going to be transformative for our city to be able to have better active transportation, a modern public transportation system, housing and density that hopefully is more appropriate for a growing city that allows us to grow inward and upward.
At a local level, more services should get introduced.
But until some of those things come together, Yogesh and his family say they'll keep doing the best they can. Pratish Dayal, CBC News, Saskatoon.